항상 처음은 설레이지 널 보러 가는 길도 마치 구름 위지 너에게 하고 싶은 말을 생각하다가 나 이렇게 내가 바보라는 것을 알게 되었어 참 바보같이 머리부터 발끝까지 콩깍지가 쓰여낸 커피를 들고 햇볕 아래서 널 기다리다 내 마음이 녹은 것 같아 Let's go out in the sun 느낌이 왔어 이 리듬에 맡겨 발걸음
Annyeonghaseyo! It's me again, Christine, and welcome back to another vlog. Today we are here sa Chef Baboy Unlimited Korean Premium Barbecue. And nag-crave talaga ako sa Samgy because of all the K-dramas I've been watching lately. By the way, ang mga pinapanood ko ngayon na K-dramas are 39, Forecasting Love and Weather. Tinatapos din namin yung Our Beloved Summer. And pinaka-favorite ko ngayon, guys, is Business Proposal. So, comment nyo na lang din down below ano yung mga K-drama recommendations nyo. Today, I'm going to give you 5 reasons why I think Chef Baboy is the best Korean samgyeopsal experience here in Pampanga. Kasi syempre, ang dami-daming Samgy places dito sa Pampanga, di ba? And I'm sure you guys want to know what is the best.
I can be your third man dog Just a symptom you've forgotten You slip me in your pocket Turn on the television now Set me in the corner now In technicolor's your bed Oh, won't you hear me out You're painting all my features And everything you needed Don't put me on the shelf, no I'd never find another
First reason is Chef Garcia. Yes, he is the man behind Rainforest Kitchen and BG Bakery, also Andrew Cafe. Nag-collab na kami actually 2 years ago. We did How to be a Restaurateur na vlog. I'm going to link it down below para naman mapanood nyo siya and malaman nyo yung journey ni Chef Vince as a restaurateur. It's my number 1 reason why. Because dahil chef siya, dahil naging success lahat ng brands niya, and alam niya naman kung gaano ka-in-demand yung mga restaurants niya, guys, ultimo side dishes lang, you could be very sure that masarap yan.
Into the place, I spot you from a ways. My heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way, flowers on your face, and then from the 80s. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel farther away. Wait on.
They use premium beef talaga. So, nakikita niyo naman yung tight shots ng mga meat na pinakita namin. They use premium beef and pork. Very lean yung cuts. And talagang yung mga parts na kailangan ng itatapon talaga. So, definitely less yung guilt na mafe-feel mo pag nag-Unli Samgy ka dito. So, it's located dito sa Greenfield Square in Sindalan, San Fernando, Pampanga. We really love this place. If you remember, nag-vlog na rin kami dito yung favorite naman namin na Asian Noodle Bar. We really love this place because hindi ka mamamroblema sa parking. And then after mong kumain dito, pwede ka pang mag-dessert sa BG Bakery or mag-milk tea or mag-run, mag-stroll with your family doon sa park. They have a conference area sa taas. So, dito sa baba can sit up to 55 people dito sa loob. And then, meron silang alfresco area na could sit up to 20 people naman. And then sa taas, meron silang parang conference style na pwede nyong i-rent ng family or if you want team dinner sa work or kung meron kang small gathering kasi intimate na lang naman talaga lahat ng gatherings ngayon, di ba? The last reason is you should go here because sobrang cute ni Chef Baboy. I'm not sure kung nakita niyo kanina, but yeah, nag-picture-picture kami and siya yung nag-hi sa vlog. Yun, I hope I have given you guys more than enough reasons to try this place out. And if you do, please tag nyo naman ako sa stories nyo, sa mga posts nyo, and let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and follow them on Instagram and on Facebook. Annyeong!